Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Glammegal, and today's video is going to be on this smoky eye makeup look. And as I think you can hear it in my voice how happy and excited I am for a good smoky eye makeup look. So we'll quickly get started with the look, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And we'll begin with eye makeup. I'm taking this Modern Renaissance palette and I'm taking this shade for like a transition color, and honestly it does not really show up that much. Even this second color, it's, I think, burnt orange or sienna. I'll write down everything down below so you will know. And now I'm just building up the colors on the trees basically. So now I'm taking this red ochre shade, and again I'm just building it up very slowly onto the trees. So this is a smoky eye where the entire lid is smoked out. So for that, now I'm taking a base color. This one is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in bronze. Just tapping it with my finger, kind of blending it out. For the lid color, I'm taking one of my favorite single eyeshadows. This one is Endless Chocolate by Loreal. I'm just going to, like, as I've just wet the brush, I'm just going to pat it into the lid area. And this is a blending brush. I've taken Endless Chocolate again on the same brush, and I'm just kind of blending it onto the trees. Now, just to define the look a little bit more, I'm not going ahead with like a full blown eyeliner. I'm taking a matte black eyeliner on a pencil brush, and I'm just deepening up the crease ever so slightly with whatever is left on the brush. Now, let's move on to the face makeup before we come back in for the eye makeup on the lower lash line, on the lower, under eye area. So first off, I'm obviously going to kind of color correct, and very lightly I'm just going to pat it with a powder. I find when I do this, like when I apply a concealer or any other product, it moves a little bit less. So especially I like to do this especially during like summer months, not in winter months at all. Now I'm just taking my foundation. I'm just going to apply it with a brush, and I think I just took, I think, Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm just going to blend it out. Once I buff it with a brush, I like to go over with like a blender over it. And for my concealer, today I'm taking this Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer. I'm just using it as a like cream highlighter as well. And again with the Weishi Beauty Blender, I'm just going to pat everything into place. I just absolutely love this blender. If you have not tried this, you must try it out. It's available on Amazon, and Weishi even has their own store now. Now for contouring, I'm just going to use Topaz Tan or whatever is left of it. This one is a bronzer, cream bronzer from NYX. I absolutely love it. I'm like running low on it. So as soon as it is totally done, I'm going to repurchase it. I love it that much. I'm using this slim brush, and I'm going to also like contour my nose with it, and I'm using the same beauty sponge again. That is what I love about beauty sponges, like you have one and you can make it work around for your entire face. Now I'm just using the mini blender that you get with the Weishi blender to get like a more precise contour, and for even like the nose contouring, it works very nicely. You can place it very close to your nose. Just bronzing up my face, I'm just using Palladio matte bronzer, and now I'm taking off my bake using this is Weishi powder brush, and this is the Weishi flat eyeshadow brush. So I just did my nose contour with it, and for my blush I have taken this, I think, Inglot Freedom System blush in number 30. For my highlight today, I'm using Mask Chrome Molten Gold from Maybelline, an absolute winner. I just love this highlight. Just look at that. Once that is done, I'm taking this plum green tea mist on my face. Once that has settled down, I'm just going to go over with the red ochre shade on my lower lash line, and with a smaller pencil brush, I'm going ahead with a black eyeshadow to kind of apply it very near to the lash line. Taking this NYX black gel liner, applying a liner, and while it is still wet, I'm just going to further smoke it out and blend it out. And next is Again, I'm just using lashes. You can totally skip it if you don't like it. For the inner corner, I'm again using the same highlighter. Quickly, I'm just going to line my lips and apply. This one is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Leon, and in the center, I'm just using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cabo. And this is the final look. So as you can see, this is like without any accessories or anything. You can rock this look for any clubbing event or any Western outfit as well, if that is how you prefer it. So this is now with Indian chumkas and a bindi. This is how this looks over like with a traditional look to this outfit, to this makeup. Yeah, I quite like this look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.